Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Hi, I'm Professor Zane. Today, we're going to do a magic milk experiment. What do you feel like that today? Would that be great? It's crazy! So what we're going to do firstly is we're going to look at the ingredients we need today for our magic milk. And this is what we call surface tension, this experiment. What you need firstly is you need some milk. It can be full cream milk, it can be lactose-free milk, it can be nut milk, any type of milk in one of these containers. Then we need some cotton buds. These are special cotton buds because I'm going to show you what we do with that a little bit later. And then we have some food colouring. We have yellow, we have purple, and we have red today, but you can use any colour that you like. You can be as crazy as you like as well. Okay, you ready to start this, Humphrey? All right. What we do firstly is we got to grab a plate. We're going to pour a little bit of milk onto the plate. Pour, pour, pour. And we grab some of that food colouring. What colour shall we use? I think we'll use red first. We'll grab the red food colouring. We're going to tip this on here, just drops onto the milk like that. Oh, that looks fantastic. And then what we're going to do next is grab one of our cotton buds. We also need one more ingredient, which is dishwashing liquid. Tip a little bit of dishwashing liquid onto the end of the cotton bud. This is where the magic is, Humphrey. You ready to watch this? We just simply touch the end of the cotton bud into the milk. Oh, look, it's expanding. It's crazy. It's going out. It's going out. That's really crazy. Another thing that we can do is we can add more colours, which has more crazy effects. I'm going to grab another colour. We'll grab some purple this time. Couple of drops onto the milk. We're gonna grab that same cotton bud that we had before with a little bit of dishwashing liquid. And then the crazy thing we're gonna do again is we're gonna touch the milk and you watch it explode. It's expanding, that's crazy. That is crazy. Would you like to learn how to do this yourself, Humphrey? Okay, we need adult supervision when we do this. So make sure you grab Mum and Dad and then we can do this experiment together. I'm going to grab a plate here. Humphrey, I give you some milk. Would you like to pour a little bit of milk onto the plate for me? There we go. Just onto the plate. And then we're going to grab a colour. I wonder what colour we can grab today. What colour would you like, Humphrey? Oh, yellow! Excellent. Okay, so I'll take this cap off for you. Again, you need Mum and Dad to help you with this. And then, Humphrey, if you want to grab that, and you can squeeze that onto the milk. Very good, Humphrey, very good. And then we're going to grab a cotton bud. And remember what we do here? We put a little bit of dishwashing liquid on it. I'll do that for you, Humphrey. And very carefully, if you want to grab the end there. And then if you want to dip that into... Oh, fantastic! Did you see that? That was crazy! It's absolutely crazy! That was very well done! Okay, we can do this anytime that we want to. It's an amazing trick. It's crazy! So what do you think, Humphrey? Was that good? Excellent. Okay, well, we'll see you again next time.